Okay, hi there. Well, it's probably a good thing that my machine started hiccuping really badly when I started recording this the first time because when I did it, I reached for this guy right away. And I was going to tell you start with the Sharpie right away. Not such a great idea on such thin paper because it went right through. So hopefully, knock on wood, two things. My pencil's not going to go right through, but also my movie recorder is going to play nice this time. So I'm just going to kind of recreate on my new sheet here what to do. In doing this also, I figured out that you might need a new copy of this as well in case something gets messed up. Again, if the dog eats it or something else. So like if you didn't have a printer at home, I can leave these at school for you too. But I will make sure there is a copy in this Google Classroom posting in case you do need to print another one. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to throw my name on the top. I know that seems like kind of a moot point right now since we're at home, but hey, you never know. Doesn't hurt. Um, so I'm going to start off on this guy here. And right now, there's some directions up here that you can stick to. We're going to kind of ignore them for now because we're kind of changing things up here. So I'm just going to cross those out and say, let's ignore that. We'll pay attention to the color schemes later on this week. And you'll notice on the back side there are 3 different color schemes that are on the front, so please don't think it's the same on both sides. That's why it says continued right here. So we're gonna flip back to this side here, and in each box, I want you to start making designs. The Zentangle packet's on there if you would like to experiment with those. If you want to make up your own designs, that's fine too. If you're sticking to the true Zentangle method of this, the first thing you want to do is split this space up. So I'm gonna stick to what I think I might do on my good copy. Remember, that's what that big 12 by 12 sheet's for. We'll get to that later on when it becomes time. But just for now, I'm kind of doing this kind of weird curvy thing, kind of as an Art Nouveau feel to it. And in here now, I'm gonna start creating some designs. And I think over here on this guy, I'll throw in this little bubble pattern here. You may remember this guy. You start off with a large bubble and a small one too. Kind of looks like snowmen hanging out. You can run them off the page, or you might start with something completely different than I do. It does not matter. I'm just giving you a little visual example right now to get you going. So if you want to use this one, be my guest. If you want to make up your own stuff, that's cool too. But what I'm doing on this guy, for those of you guys who are interested, is I'm just filling in with different sized bubbles. There's no right or wrong way to do this. If you end up with like a weird gap somewhere, throw a bubble there. Throw half a bubble. Throw half a bubble for no reason whatsoever. It really doesn't matter. So let's assume I fill this guy up, then I'm going to move over here. And maybe I'll do something different here. Maybe this guy starts off with all half moon kind of shapes. Take that around. I thought I was going in the corner. I guess not. This guy can go in the corner. And we'll do that guy all around there. And then I'll just start echoing throughout. Then what I do from here, it's entirely up to me. Woo, that got tiny real quick. Let's throw some other weird stuff in between. That looks kind of cool there. Maybe we'll make these guys darker each one. So you get the idea there. And as I go around, I fill up the rest with other Zentangle designs. Once I get done with that guy, then it's time to move down to the next one. And when you do this, plan something different. As Monty Python used to say, and now for something completely different. So in here, now I'm just going to go super geometric, maybe give it kind of an Art Deco feel. Think like stained glass windows or something. And in each one, maybe I'll do something super geometric here. Like maybe I could do a box and then echo it 3 times. A lot of echoing in Zentangle. It's supposed to put a memorable pattern in your head that you can replicate easily and make it look really nice as well. Lots of high contrast too. I'll throw something over here like that. Box that guy in. And then come over here. We'll make something go like that. And then something down here. And then on the next one, I try something else that's very geometric. You know, as you go too, if you're starting to get really busy, maybe break up the space. Think of something that'll give you a little more area of rest as you go along too. And we're going to want lots of white areas. We're not going to want a whole lot of super dark stuff because most of this area, later on, we're going to color, and on the good one, we're going to paint. So you don't want to fill it up completely with pencil. And go on from here, I could add a little bit of value to this guy. So just have fun with it. You know, if you've done a lot of heavy-duty assignments recently because you know, the giant package you may have received the other day, maybe this is a nice one to kind of end your evening with each time. So what you want to do is kind of go through, fill these guys up, and then wait for directions on the next one, okay? What I'd like you to do is on the comments section of this particular classroom post, not the YouTube post, please, but the classroom post, let me know each day how you're doing. Just check in with me and let me know. So if you get all 3 done today, say all 3 done. If you get all of them done, over the next 2 days, kind of let me know which you get done each time. And I'm not looking to see, I'm not comparing anybody. I just want to know where we're at because I can't see you directly. Also, if you have any questions about this or you have any trouble with this too, hit me up on office hours. They're posted online. Other than that, happy Zentangling, and I'll talk to you in a couple days.